everybody, this time I'm going to teach you a new technique. See, this is called the speed wall technique. First we keep normal dominoes like this. Gap we give. Maximum we should do like this till 10. And then we are gonna to keep dominoes here. And then the last. And after you want, you can keep a domino here. So this is the speed wall. After that, if you want, you can go inside here and topple. Or we can build a domino line. We keep the dominoes near. So this is called the speed wall technique. Maximum we should build only till 10. So let's topple it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.